Creating a minimalist bedroom. Step 1. Declutter. Start by removing anything that doesn't bring you joy. Let go of those extra clothes, clear the random chair in the corner, and keep only what's essential. A tidy space isn't just pleasing to look at, it's calming for your mind too. Step 2. Choose quality over quantity. Opt for a few high-quality pieces that balance style and function. A simple bed frame with soft neutral bedding, like our brushed cotton or bamboo collection, can make all the difference. These choices help keep things cozy without cluttering the room. Step 3. Embrace a neutral palette stick to soft, soothing shades like whites, beiges, or gentle greys. Neutral tones create a light, airy feel that's perfect for winding down at the end of the day. Step 4. Add a touch of green. Even in a minimalist room, a little greenery can bring life without adding clutter. Choose low-maintenance plants for a fresh, clean look. Dot finely, comma. Keep tech to a minimum. Create a true sanctuary by limiting tech in your space. Let your bedroom be the one place where you can completely relax. Simplify your bedroom, simplify your life, embrace minimalism, and create the restful retreat you deserve. Start with our bedding collections to make your space a minimalist dream.